Good morning, class 9th. In today's lecture, we will discuss the questions which were given to you in your various tests. Here, the very first question is, the enfoldings of the inner membrane of mitochondria are known as. They are known as cristae. The inner folds of the mitochondrial membrane is called cristae. A person met with an accident in which two long bones of his hand were dislocated. Which among the following may be the possible reason for this? Tendon break, break of skeletal muscle tissue, ligaments break, areolar tissue break. The correct answer is ligament breaks because ligaments are the fibrous connective tissue which holds two bones together. Meristematic tissues are those which help in increasing the length and the girth of the plant. Which of the following statements given below is correct about the meristematic tissue? It is made up of cells that are capable of cell division. Yes, it is true that meristematic tissue are of three kinds, and all the three kinds are present at those locations from where the plant growth take place. Apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and your lateral meristem. The undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes is also known as nucleoid. As we know, there are two kinds of cell. One is prokaryotic cell, one is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell have a well-defined region where the genetic material and other main substances are pegged in a structure called nucleus. On the other hand, if we talk about prokaryotes, they lack a proper nuclear membrane, a proper structure called nucleus, but there is some region in the cytoplasm where that chromosome or DNA is present. That region or that area is called nucleoid. The tissue present in the lining of kidney tubules is cuboidal epithelium tissue. Endoplasmic reticulum is one of the cell organelles, exists as a membranous network that extends from outer membrane of nucleus to the plasma membrane, making a connection between them. Which of the following statements is not related to the endoplasmic reticulum? Try to understand the question. They are asking you which of the following statement is not related. Means there is only one statement which is not related to the endoplasmic reticulum, but other three are related. So first is, it behaves as transport channel. As you can study here that it is a membranous network, then it can work as a transport channel. Okay. Yes, it transport material between various regions of cytoplasm. Yes, it is true because it is a connection between them. So it transfer material between nucleus, plasma membrane, and other cell organelles. Okay. Yes. After this, it can be a site of energy generation. No, mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. It is the place, mitochondria is the place that act as a seat for respiration or oxidation of food, in turn which produces energy. So energy generation is only limited to mitochondria. It can be the site of some biochemical activities of the cell. Yes, it is true. You must have observed that a fruit when unripe is green, but it becomes beautifully colored when ripe. According to you, what is the reason behind this color change? As we know, we have plastid as a cell organelle in plants. It is of three kinds. One is chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast. Chromo is coloring, then chloroplast is related to only green color, and leucoplast is colorless plastid. So we are saying that if a fruit is converting itself from green to a beautifully colored fruit, then green color is chloroplast and chromoplast will impart the colorful texture to the fruit. So chloroplast will change to chromoplast. Genes are located on chromosomes. Okay, nuclear membrane is just a membrane in which proper nucleus is pegged. Okay, all the chromosomes, chromatin materials are pegged. So chromosomes are the region on which a particular sequence or stretch of DNA is called gene. So we can say gene are located on chromosome. The name suicide bag has given to, yes, it is very common question. The suicidal bags are lysosomes, as they have very high power enzymes that help to digest the waste material or the foreign particles which invade the cells, but at times due to starving or due to disturbed cell functioning, lysosomes sometimes burst themselves, and when they burst they digest the whole cell. In other words, suicidal bag, which is responsible for the suicide of cell. A cell will swell up if the concentration of water molecules in the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecule in the surrounding medium. If the concentration of water molecule in the cell is higher and concentration of water molecule in the surrounding medium is low, then the movement is always from its higher concentration to lower. So when it is high inside, the water will go outside, because from higher to lower concentration movement is seen. So first option is not correct. Yes, the concentration of water molecule in surrounding medium is higher, means outside the cell. If we talk about here, if it is high outside and low inside, according to second option I'm talking, so movement will be inside. And if this is this cell side and movement is from outside to inside, the cell will definitely swells. So second option is correct. The concentration of water molecule in the surrounding medium is higher than the concentration of water molecule in the cell. The stretches of DNA which carry information for protein synthesis are called gene, as told earlier. Genes are the DNA strands, or the portion of that the portion of DNA that codes for some function in the form of protein. So the stretches of DNA which carry information for protein synthesis are called genes. The phenomena by which protoplast of a cell shrinks from the wall. The process is called plasmolysis. Among the following statements, which one is incorrect? Golgi apparatus is involved in formation of lysosome. True. Nucleus, mitochondria, plastid have DNA, hence they are able to make their own structural protein. True. Nucleus is having the main DNA of the cell, and mitochondria and plastid have their own DNA. Okay, single chromosome you can say, or they have their own small DNA. The lysosomes are called suicide bags. Yes, it is true. Cytoplasm is also known as protoplasm. No. The proteins and lipids essential for building the cell membrane are manufactured by, yes, protein and lipid. Two things are discussed here. Endoplasmic reticulum is also of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough appearance is due to the presence of ribosomes, and when we talk about ribosome, we are talking about protein factories. Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the formation of protein, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the formation of lipids. The reagent used for Black reaction by Camillo Golgi to stain nerve cell. Yes, nerve cell was stained by a blackish silver solution, a reagent that is called Black reaction, and the reagent is AgNO3. A vacuole is a space or cavity within the cytoplasm of a cell, enclosed by a membrane and typically containing fluid. They are a kind of storage sacs that are very large sized in plant cells as compared to that in the animal cell. Which among the following is not a function of the vacuole? Vacuole help in storage of any kind of material, whether it is toxic or whether it is food material, important material, because it is a kind of storage sac. So first option is true. They provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell, plant cell. Yes, it is true, because as you know, in some of the plant cell, vacuole may take up to 70% of the total volume. So it provides a kind of rigidity and turgidity to the cell, or kind of support from inside. They help in maintaining the osmotic pressure. Yes, it is true. When it stores water, it definitely helps to maintain the osmotic pressure. Last one is it helps in cell division. No. Vacuole is only a storage sac-like structure which helps in storage of various kind of material, whether it is gaseous material or it is food vacuole or it is volatile vacuole containing waste material, but it is not at all helping in cell division. Biological membrane includes only nuclear membrane? No. Only membrane of Golgi complex? No. Only mitochondrial membrane? No. Actually, all the membranes are known as biological membrane, which are present within the plasma membrane. Means plasma membrane is bio membrane, या biological membrane we can say, or your cell membrane, your mitochondrial membrane, Golgi complex membrane, lysosomal membrane. Each and every membrane is included under the category biological membrane. The colorless dense sap present inside the nuclear membrane is called nucleoplasm. The sap-like structure which is present within the cell is cytoplasm. Similarly, the sap-like structure or sap-like appearance of the dense sap-like structure present here within the nucleus, it is called nucleoplasm. Thank you for today, and still if you have any doubt you can ask.